In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download all files on Google Drive. By the end, you'll have every file and folder from your Google Drive downloaded to your computer in a single zip file. First, open Google Drive. In your web browser's address bar, go to drive.google.com and wait for your drive to load. You'll see your folders and files in the main area of the page. This is where we'll make the selection and start the download. Give the page a moment if you have a lot of content so everything is visible before you proceed. Next, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all. You'll see every item on the screen become highlighted and a selection count may appear at the top. This selects everything in your drive view at once. Folders, files, and subfolders inside those folders will be included when you download. And you don't need to open any folder to include its contents. Selecting the folder is enough. Like if you accidentally click somewhere and lose the selection, just press Ctrl+A again to reselect everything. This step is safe and only highlights items. It doesn't move or delete anything. Now, right-click on any one of the selected items and choose Download. Move your mouse over a highlighted file or folder, right-click to open the context menu, and click Download. As soon as you do, Google Drive will begin preparing your files. You'll see a Preparing Download or Compressing message. Drive is packaging all of your selected content into a zip file so it can be downloaded as a single item. This may take some time if you have many files, large videos, or very big folders. That's normal. If nothing in your drive is being changed or removed, Drive is simply creating a compressed copy for you to download. Wait for the zip file. Keep the Google Drive tab open while Drive prepares the download. You'll see progress indicators on screen as the files are compressed. When the zip is ready, your browser will start downloading it automatically, or it may briefly prompt you to confirm the download, depending on your browser settings. If your drive is very large, Google may split the download into multiple zip files. You'll see each one begin downloading in sequence. Just let the process finish. You can monitor the download progress in your browser's download bar or panel. The zip file will save to your default downloads folder unless you've set a different location in your browser. Now, if you see a short processing time followed by a longer download, that's expected. The first part is Drive compressing your files, and the second part is your browser saving the zip to your computer. Once the download completes, your Google Drive content has been successfully saved to your computer as a zip file. The task is complete and working as expected. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.